Hello everyone and welcome back to our tour through the Quest 3 device. Today I'm going to show you what all the buttons do on this device. Now this is a Quest 3. The Quest 2 is extremely similar. Some of the buttons may be in different locations. The first thing you want to know about is this port right here. This is the charging port. This is where you plug the device in if you need to give it a charge, or if you want to link it to a computer to download some files maybe that you put onto this device that now you want on your computer. Let's flip it over. This is your volume control. So if it's a little too loud, a little too quiet, you can push it one way or the other to adjust volume. And when you push this button, the Oculus will show you a heads-up display showing you if your volume is going up or down. So you can adjust it there. This little dial right here will adjust the distance these lenses are from each other. Because not everyone has the same eye distance, you may want to adjust that to make your experience a little bit more comfortable. And there's actually an app in the Oculus that will help you do that. And last but certainly not least, the power button. So if you're using the Oculus, and just like any computer, if it starts acting a little weird, doing strange things, sometimes you just want to turn it off and turn it back on again. This is your power button. Just push it in and hold it, and the Oculus will power down. It'll ask you in the heads-up display if you want to power down, select yes, and it will shut down. And then to restart it, just push and hold the button again. And that's what all these buttons do.